Visi presents how to make chicken stock. Well, the ingredients you'll need: 1 onion, medium or large, 1 inch ginger, 1 stalk eskellion, 2 KNORR cubes, 1 teaspoon thyme, and 2 cloves garlic. Let's begin the process. You must first defat 7 pieces of chicken, or you can use a whole chicken if you so desire. Now you can wash the chicken with lime or lemon or vinegar. That's your personal choice. And then you're going to put that 7 pieces of chicken in 120 milliliters of water in a medium size pot. There, adding the ginger, adding the garlic, adding some more garlic. Okay, that's enough of adding now. All right, then we're going to move on to a very special, delicious ingredients. That's Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of AllSpice or Pimento. Now, when you've added all of that to the pot, then you're going to bring it to a roaring boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After you've boiled the chicken, then you can remove the chicken pieces from the stock. You can either fry or bake the chicken. I chose to bake the chicken. There it is in a pot to be put to bake. Now, some persons will strain the stock, some won't. I decided to strain. I think I prefer it that way. Now, after you've strained the stock, allow it to cool, then store in a container or Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer, or you can use it right away. Then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share.